Hi, I'm Andy Harding from Cycle Strength. I'm just going to take you through a 5-minute dynamic stretch warm-up. You should be doing something like this before going to the gym or getting on your bike. Warms up the joints and the muscles and gets them ready for the hard work. Just start the clock. First one, side step with an arm swing. You're going to get a good side step going, reach across behind you with that trailing leg. So you feel a little stretch in the hips. Swing the arms. We're going to do 45 seconds of each of these. As the clock ticks down, you can get a bit more reach, just try and push it each time. Next one is a knee raise with a twist. Keep your elbows up. Bring your knee up to the opposite elbow and twist your trunk as you do it. You don't have to go fast. You're just looking to increase the mobility of the joints. That's good. Next one, standing hamstring swing. You're going to balance on one leg, do one leg at a time. I'm going right leg first. Start off slow, just kick that leg up and try and touch your toe with the opposite hand. I'll do it both sides so you can see. And as the clock ticks down, you should be able to swing a little higher, a little faster, just warming up the hips. The hamstrings as we go. Do the other side. Going to start off slow. If you've got good balance, try and stay on one foot the whole time. Excellent work. Next one is a bodyweight squat with a reach and a pull. You're going to squat right down, reach as far forward as you can, rounding your shoulders, and then up. Stretch your chest out and push your shoulders back. Really feel those shoulders going down or back behind you. You want to get your bum as close to the floor as you can, keeping your weight on your heels, pushing through those heels as you stand up. Again, go a bit faster as the clock ticks down. Groiners with a twist. Next, you're going to be on all fours. Put one foot up by your hand, and then lift the hand up and twist. And reach to the ceiling. And swap feet. You should feel a stretch in the front of your hamstring, your hip flexor. Knee up and out. I'm going to go a bit faster now. circle with that knee, lift it as high as you can. Get a little hop on your standing foot. You're going to warm up those ankles as we do this. That's some hot tips, you can go a bit faster. Should be feeling warm now. Last one, star jumps. Try and keep that momentum. Speed up. Keep those arms straight, reach as high as you can above your head. And that's it. Hopefully now your heart rate's up, your body's warmed up, you're breathing more deeply, your joints feeling the benefit, you're ready to work. See you next time.